Assalamu alaikum. This is Professor Dr. Qudsiya Tariq, Chairperson, Department of Psychology, University of Karachi. It's a moment of pride for me to speak from काजिम प्लेटफॉर्म और मेरे लिए बहुत बड़े ऑनर की बात है कि मुझे काजिम साहब ने सेलेक्ट किया कि मैं आज चिल्ड्रंस डे पर जो है वो काजिम ट्रस्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए कोई बात करूँ। बेसिकली काजिम ट्रस्ट के साथ मेरी एफिलिएशन फॉर द लास्ट मोर देन अ डेकेड है एंड आई हैव बीन सीइंग काजिम ट्रस्ट प्रोग्रेस डे बाय डे and it started with a small organization and now I see it's immensely and internationally being recognized world over, and it's a pleasure to be a part of it. And I'm really impressed by how Kazim Saab has started the small organization, changed it to huge project, and I feel very honored that I am on the board of advisors on Kazim Trust. Kazim Trust has been serving the community for a very long time, and they have been offering services for children with ADHD. They're also giving services for children with learning disabilities and other children issues, aggression, and there are other problems which children are facing regarding their developmental issues. The Kazim Trust is entertaining that. Kazim Trust also offers assessments, therapeutic interventions, and also remedial issues are also being taken care by the Kazim Trust. This is a very special day, the Children's Day, and I am going to talk about a very important thing which has always been very close to my heart, that we do not actually consider children who are slightly different into the daily routine activities and all that. We always feel that this child appears to be different, so this child is not inclusive in the things which I am doing right now. This is a general perception, a stigma the society is holding against children who are very beautiful and who are very, very energetic, intelligent. They are always misunderstood. I would say the word misunderstood. ADHD is a difficult thing to manage, but it is not impossible to manage. What is ADHD? The question arises, what is ADHD? ADHD is attention deficit hyperactive disorder, in which the child has general issues with paying attention and staying focused, and there are a lot of behavioral issues as well, because the child is very impulsive and hyperactive. The child is very inquisitive as well, asking a lot of questions, having restlessness, frustration and anger. Temper tantrums are also being observed in children like this. If you see a child having these issues, this child needs to be brought for immediate remedial process, because the child needs special attention at this time. The earlier you bring the child for the remedial sessions, the earlier you get the child diagnosed, the better it is. I'll give you a little bit of points that what exactly is ADHD. ADHD is basically a disorder which is seen in the early childhood. Child is having difficulty in sitting, throwing temper tantrums, not listening to the parents. The parents think they are being disobedient. It's not being disobedient. The child is not being able to pay attention. So there's something wrong with the child. So we need to address that. Instead of beating up the child and trying to discipline forcibly, we need to understand this child. Like I said, that they are misunderstood. So we need to work on this, and it can be done through a professional help. So we need to first of all identify what exactly the child is feeling. When the child is being always ridiculed, being said, you're not doing this, why aren't you doing that, the child starts feeling that I am unable to do a lot of things, I'm incompetent, I'm incapable of doing things, which brings their self-esteem. In fact, it crushes their self-esteem. It doesn't only bring the self-esteem to the low level, it crushes their self-esteem, and they get very confused. And out of this confusion, they start rebelling, they start getting angry at people. And because they're not being understood, they are not very expressive, so they can't actually choose the right words to tell what they are going through. But at that time, they're always feeling that people are not understanding me. Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I am not competent enough. I won't be able to go a long way. I'm not like other people. Trust me, these children might not score good on the academic level, but they are brilliant. They are very intelligent children, but they have a different way of expressing themselves. As I was saying that ADHD is, a kind of a disorder which, if it is early diagnosed, it can be, dealt very effectively, and the child would learn a lot of things in the initial stages. From 7 to 8 years, there is going to be a lot of pressure on the child, because the child is, stimulated by a lot of environmental factors. The child is not being able to understand one's own self, is not being able to understand the environment around. And so basically what we need to do is that we need to provide the child with that calmness, and that anger needs to be dealt with. So any professional can help deal with all this. It's not something, I'm again and again emphasizing on this thing, that ADHD is not something that cannot be managed. And the question arises that, will my child be able to lead a normal life when he or she grows up? Yes, they would be able to deal. It's not something that, it would vanish, but it is something that would be managed. If a child learns that how I can manage my behavior in a social context, the child will be well behaved, the child will be able to deal with the things, the social skills will be better developed, even the academic skills can be improved by teaching the child how to manage the anxiety. Because basically the child is bombarded with a lot of stimulation from there, and the child is unable to process the information properly, because the child is not being able to focus on only one thing. So we need to work on how we can help this child deal with all the challenges the child will be facing. By one thing which is very important is that there will be a lot of social challenges the child will face, and being a part of the community, we need to understand that it's not only responsibility of the parents to manage that child, it's also a part of the responsibility of the community to help the parents and the children to deal with the situations which are very challenging. I think this is high time that we understand, and this COVID-19 situation that has brought everyone together on one platform, that we have started understanding the importance of humanity, the importance of each other, the importance of life, the importance of happiness. What if we share this happiness with the families of children who are differently abled? I think that will be the achievement of any person, that we are able to help someone who is facing these challenges. इस चिल्ड्रन डे पे मैं इन प्यारे बच्चों को एक मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि आप सब लोग बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। बेशक आप नन्हे हैं, लेकिन आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। आपका रोल इस कम्युनिटी के लिए बड़ा अहम रोल है। आप सब ने एक दूसरे की हेल्प करनी है, आपने सबको गाइड करना है। अगर आपके दोस्तों को कोई मसला है तो उसका मजाक नहीं उड़ाएं, उसकी हेल्प करें, बल्कि उनके पेरेंट्स को जो है वो भी आप फैसिलिटेट करें। आज का बच्चा जो है वो कल का बड़ा है, ठीक है? तो आप लोगों ने सबने मिलकर इस कम्युनिटी को एक बहुत बेहतर कम्युनिटी बनाना है। तो आई नो कि बेशक आप छोटे हो, लेकिन आप बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो। इस बात को याद रखें, एंड ऑलवेज feel that you have the strength to do anything in the world. Nothing is impossible. The word impossible says that I am possible. Thank you.